Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received a big old package, a happy mail from my beautiful friend Janet, so thank you in advance to Janet, but I wanted to open this in real time with you guys. We're gonna swatch everything and we're gonna create a look. Janet was doing a big declutter and she offered some palettes, and I picked a few palettes out. Do I remember off the top of my head what's in this box? I sure do not, but it's gonna be okay. But I wanted to sit down with you guys and just kind of go through everything, do some swatches and stuff like that, and then kind of create a look using one or multiple of the palettes. I haven't quite decided yet. I hope everybody is well. I'd love to know, does anybody have any birthdays, anniversaries, celebrations coming up? Y'all know I'm nosy as hell. I want to know. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting this at all. There's so much stuff in here and so much more than I even anticipated was coming. I have a couple of sheet masks. Y'all know I love sheet masks. The more hydrated I can get this parched ass skin, y'all, the better. Ooh, a cute little makeup bag. Red chamber. That is cute. Oh, that brush is beautiful. Immortals. I think these are things that are on, is it Yes Style or something like that? I could be wrong. It's something like that. We have some, I don't know what these are. I like the packaging though. Ooh, little cotton rounds. I love the Shiseido ones, and these feel super duper soft. Ooh, I'm gonna love these. Thank you so much. I will use those a lot. There's a cute little lei in here. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Janet, I did not expect this. Holy freaking crap, thank you. Oh my gosh. We have, oh yes, I do remember her saying she was gonna send this to me. She sent me a sample of this a while back, and it is one of my all-time favorite fragrances. Incredible. Okay. I have no idea what, oh! A thing to pick up magnetic shadows. I'm assuming that's what that is. We're gonna go with yes, that's what it is. I actually needed one of those. Thank you, Janet. We have I don't know what this is. Oh yes, I will use those too for Halloween. There's some cool things. Thank you. All right, we've got some stuff in here. Oh my god, I was not expecting this at all. Thank you, Janet. Wow, 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 wow. And hopefully you guys like videos like this. Of course, I like more tutorial-based things, and hopefully I'm teaching y'all something, or I'm informative, or at the very least a little bit entertaining. But to be able to just kind of sit down and BS with you guys and just play in makeup, I mean, you guys know, I absolutely love makeup. I love the art of just playing in makeup, swatching makeup, seeing all the beautiful things. Noting too, like everything is bubble wrapped and packaged. I always reuse all the packaging and stuff that I get, all the bubble wrap mailers and things like that for my resale group. And I do have a resale group over on Facebook. I have a huge listing up now for both clothing and shoes and for makeup and beauty products. And I'm cheap as hell. Anyways, so nothing ever goes to waste. And while you're here, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also share out my video. You can also hype the video. I greatly appreciate it. And Janet has sent me quite a few palettes and stuff like that. I love them. I use them. They're some of my favorites in my collection. And she knows that I'm a huge indie brand fan, and she is as well. So I'm grateful. Thank you so, so much. All right. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, so we have the Spellbound Beauty Coven palette. And I also save these. Let me show y'all how many I have, as a matter of fact. I'll just grab one handful of them. But I always save all of those little like eyeshadow protectors and stuff, and I use them and utilize them when I'm also sending things out. So I like that even though she's like paying these forward, she still used the little protectors. I appreciate that very much. And I opted for this because I don't really have, I mean, I have some things that are kind of darker leaning, moody leaning, but this just called to me because I don't have a whole lot like that. Okay, we have the Beauty Moon Cosmetics Divergence palette. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, We have the Once Upon a Time palette from Beauty Moon Cosmetics. Also, I love the packaging of this. Again, she put the little protectors. Oh my goodness. Okay, they're all so beautiful. They're all calling to me. We have the DD Signature Effervescence eyeshadow palette. This was part of like a little collection that she had. And this one is all shimmers, and these are my favorite types of shades. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, please, please, please. I love that. Okay, we have a single from Artitude Cosmetics, Illumination. It's another one of those beautiful like iridescent shades that I love. I'll swatch everything, y'all. Where they just kind of seem unassuming in the pan and you're like, whatever, but they're gorgeous as hell. This one is Imagination, also from Artitude. And also one of those beautiful kind of iridescent type shades. We have a single from DD Signature. This is DSM-04. That's beautiful. On my end, I'm only seeing green, and I see a heavy shift of blue. I think you guys are just seeing gold. Beautiful. Another DD Signature, DSM-05. And that is almost kind of the same vibe, but it's got more like copper to it, and more of like a varnished, like a greeny gold. Okay, let me swatch everything. I'll probably speed up the actual swatching part, because we'll be here for 3 days if I don't speed that part up. Let me grab some wipes, too. So I'll speed this portion up. I'll kind of figure out what I want to use and do, and then we'll come back and do a look. So I'll speed this portion up. And here is my completed look using some of the goodies that my friend Janet sent to me. I think both of these performed okay. They are not kind of the most richly pigmented, which I don't mind that. I think it lends itself to being a little bit more beginner friendly because you do have time to kind of just layer and blend and stuff like that. I do think they take a little bit of elbow grease though. And the shimmer formula, most of them feel a little bit more kind of dry and crumbly. Again, nothing wrong with that. You just have to kind of manipulate them or play with them in a different manner. So I think overall, like, I love the look. This is one of my favorite looks I've created in a very long time. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, not the most heavily pigmented and stuff like that. I kind of like a little bit more, but I'm grateful as heck. And I love the look, so that's definitely saying something. I would, while I'm here, like to pay it forward to one of you guys. I'm gonna pay it forward and send somebody the brush, one of the masks, the little bag, and then because this is very similar to the other two, I'm also going to send this over. And noting kind of in between filming, I did sanitize these. Not that I don't love Janet, but hey, I only get one set of eyes, okay, y'all? So it will be, of course, re-sanitized and sent your way. Keep in mind, if you are going to be entering for the giveaway, this is a used palette. Just noting it for you guys. All the rules and everything will be down in the description box, but again, that's for the palettes, the makeup bag, the brush, and the face mask. Thank you so much to Janet for gifting these and sending these my way. Just thank you for being so kind and generous and thoughtful. It means so much to me. And thank you, of course, to you beauties for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype the video, you can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member to get some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Thank you, Janet.